Think of a compact hatchback that has shaped the automotive world for decades. The Volkswagen Golf is one of the first names that comes to mind. The 2026 Volkswagen Golf continues that tradition, blending modern technology, refined design, and everyday usability into one well-balanced package. At first glance, the 2026 Golf looks instantly recognizable, yet clearly updated. The overall shape remains clean and timeless, but subtle design changes make it feel more modern. Slimmer LED headlights, sharper body lines, and a refreshed rear give the car a more confident and premium presence. It's not flashy or overstyled, but that's part of the Golf's charm. It looks just as good today as it will years from now. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a big leap forward. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making smartphone integration effortless. The interior materials feel solid and well put together, with soft touch surfaces, subtle ambient lighting, and a clean layout that feels modern without being overwhelming. Under the hood, the 2026 Golf offers a range of efficient yet responsive engines depending on the market. Petrol and mild hybrid options focus on smooth power delivery and excellent fuel economy, making them ideal for daily driving. Acceleration is confident, especially in city traffic, and the engine feels refined at higher speeds. Plug-in hybrid versions add the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone, reducing fuel consumption and emissions for commuters. For those who want more excitement, performance-focused versions like the Golf GTI and Golf R continue to raise the bar. The GTI delivers strong turbocharged power with sharp throttle response and sporty handling, while still being comfortable enough for everyday use. The Golf R takes performance even further with all-wheel drive, higher horsepower, and exceptional grip, making it one of the most capable hot hatches on the road. On the road, the 2026 Golf feels balanced and confident. The steering is precise, the suspension absorbs bumps well, and the car remains stable through corners. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, it feels easy to drive and predictable, which inspires confidence for drivers of all experience levels. Technology and safety play a major role in the 2026 model. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help reduce stress and improve safety. These systems work quietly in the background, stepping in only when needed, making everyday driving smoother and more secure. Practicality has always been one of the Golf's strongest points, and that continues here. The seating position is comfortable, rear passengers have decent space, and the hatchback layout provides a versatile cargo area that easily handles groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. Fold the rear seats down, and the Golf becomes surprisingly roomy for a compact car. Of course, it's not without minor drawbacks. The heavy reliance on touch controls may take time to get used to, especially for drivers who prefer physical buttons. However, once familiar, the system becomes more intuitive and streamlined. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Golf remains one of the most well-rounded cars in its class. It offers a rare combination of comfort, performance, technology, and practicality in a compact and stylish package. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a fun performance hatch, or a modern car packed with smart features, the Golf continues to prove why it's been a benchmark for so many years.